Karbi Students Association Central Committee released another press statement on 17 March 2023 that condemned the ill treatment meted out to the members of KSA by Mr. B. Raijung, Additional Director Agriculture, Hills Diffu, Karbi Anglong. The Karbi Students Association Central Committee members visited Additional Director Agriculture Hills Diffu, Karbi Anglong office on the 15 March 2023 and met Mr. B. Raijung to submit RTI petition seeking information on the dubious appointment under the Agricultural Department Diffu. This is the exact words of the press statement released on 15 of March 2023 by the Karbi Students Association Central Committee. Press statement Diffu, the 17 March 2023. The KSA Central Committee condemned the ill treatment meted out to the members of KSA by Mr. B. Raijung, Additional Director Agriculture, Hills Diffu, Karbi Anglong on the 15 March 2023. Members of the KSA went to the Agricultural Office Diffu to submit an RTI petition seeking information on the dubious appointment under the Agricultural Department. The appointment order memo number agri/hills/ESSTT/posting/2022-23/35 dated 31/12/2022 and order memo number agri/hills/ESSTT/posting/2022-23/27 dated 31/12/2022 under the Agriculture Department are highly dubious in nature. The appointments are suspected to be made without calling for any interview. Instead of entertaining the RTI petition, Mr. Raijung showed his anger on the KSA members without any rhyme or reason. Despite identifying as KSA members, Mr. Raijung misbehaved with our members visiting his office. The act of Raijung is a direct insult to the Karbi Students Association. It is understandable that Mr. Raijung was trying to hide misdeed on the dubious appointment through his anger. It is worth mentioning that Mr. B. Raijung is a corrupt officer. He is involved in financial misappropriation in the name of supply of agriculture materials like paddy seeds, tomato seeds, spray machines, spat, etc. We shall expose the misdeeds of Mr. Raijung on how he misused funds under RKVY, NFSM, Selling Fund, SOPD, etc. We shall dig out the dubious appointment through RTI Act where worthy and merit candidates are deprived. We, the KSA, demand suspension of Mr. B. Raijung, Additional Director Agriculture, Hills Diffu, Karbi Anglong, within a week's time for insulting the KSA. We shall take up rigorous demonstration if Mr. Raijung is not suspended. He must be brought under an inquiry for financial misconduct. He must be put to jail for his corrupt activities. This press statement today was released by Jonas Singh Bay, President of Karbi Students Association of the Diffu District Committee, and Ajay Rongshihon, Assistant General Secretary from Karbi Students Association Central Committee. Thank you for watching Karbi Daily News.